The BMW E46 M3 was introduced in the year 2000 to a host of astonishing reviews from the automotive industry. This is one such example. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. Widely regarded as one of the best-sounding models in Munich's performance-oriented M stable, the BMW E46 M3 is fitted with a 3.2-liter S54 straight-six engine. It propels the driver with 343 horses on tap, with a torque of 365 Nm up to a red line of 7,900 RPMs. The limited slip differential and the widened fenders, which accommodates the wider tire tracks, ensured that the E46 M3 could put down the immense power it came with. This particular M3 was manufactured in 2002 and originally came in carbon black. Its 20 years of age was starting to show, and a much needed refresh was in order. She was brought in for our Vehicle Reconditioning Program to completely refresh the exterior. We began by repainting the M3 into a rarer Laguna Seca blue paintwork, giving the car a completely different visual character. After that, we put it through our paintwork correction and refinement processes to give the visual identity of the car a perfect, no-compromise finish. Parts of the coachwork is also taken care of with our Elements Plus detailing program, which extends to the wheel wells, brake calipers, exhaust, and engine bay. The wheels were refinished in duotone, combining metallic silver paintwork on the insides to contrast against the polished aluminum on the outside. They are then detailed and coated in our hybrid ceramic coating to help with ease of maintenance. The M3 was then custom wrapped in ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film to ensure long-term durability against the elements and stone chips from spirited drives. ClearGuard Alpha is a state-of-the-art PPF which heals with oxygen when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, this PPF more than doubles the shine of the car after an installation. With our custom installation, you can breathe easy, knowing that your car is in experienced hands. If you have one of these classics in your garage or are planning to get one, come speak to us. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.